Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are coming back, welcome back. And for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and recommend it if you know someone that could use this information. Okay, so today's video is just going to be a short video on which sites you should go in and freeze that credit report before you decide to dispute anything on your credit report. Okay. So the first one that you might want to go in and freeze is LexisNexis. You do want to freeze this. The reason you want to freeze these is because if you do not freeze them, they can go into those different websites and pick information and your dispute could end up getting denied. Okay, and we don't want that. So sorry about that. Okay, so SageStream is the next one you are going to want to freeze. And then the next one is ChexSystems, ARS, Innovis, and CoreLogic. These are the 6 that you're going to want to freeze before you decide to go in and dispute anything on your credit report. Okay, so I hope this information was helpful. Yes, it was a short one. I just wanted to put this information out there for whoever needed it, and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to pass this video on if you know anyone who is about to dispute their own credit reports. So yeah, you might want to give them the information on freezing LexisNexis, SageStream, ChexSystem, ARS, Innovis, and CoreLogic. Okay, so hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you guys later.